This may hurt a bit.
Just saying, Canary.
Actually, it's Black Canary.
It was so much fun. All of the fighting scenes are fun, but this one I feel like it had a lot of build-up, like everyone wanted it to happen, and then they made it happen.
Juliana, she's fantastic. Not only a good actor, but she's such a good person.
I think it's cool to see them together because of the connection that they do have.
We just had a lot of fun together. I think there will be more of it.
You thought you could replace me? That's cute.
I absolutely want a rematch.
I hope for a rematch.
I want to win the rematch.
I mean, I have to say Canary. I have to, I mean.
The original. Just saying.
You didn't have to do that.
Oh, I did. For so many reasons.